Hello guys, let's see how you can recover your old TikTok account or log into your old TikTok account. This is very easy procedure, just follow the step and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First you have to click on this button or your profile picture. If you click here, then it will take you to this window. Now from here you can log into your TikTok using Facebook, Google. If you click this arrow, then you also have option for Twitter and Instagram logins. Now suppose you want to log in from mobile phone, then click here and put your phone number here and click on the send code. And once that code is received, put that code in this window and just paste code here. After it, continue and you will be logged into your TikTok account, and that is all you need to do. So thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.